For the fourth and final test of the robot for this evening.
He's off. He'd like to go that way to start. Yeah. So there's a box. Now, if you saw it, there's some PCB there. It's passed. Got kind of stuck here before. Stupid robot. Really would like some better abilities to sense current. That way I can tell when it stalls out. Although a hired bumper would kind of take care of that. Good job, PCB. See if we can do the circuit now. I've adjusted it. Setting for the danger corner. Danger corner. Something sounds like it's dragging. There you go. He's his nose. Turn the shoe, that's his own problem. Alright, do this till he gets stuck again. The nose works pretty well. There we go. Did get out if you're alive? I ran away. Alright, that's it.